Today we're gonna do lowering springs on Man Civic. This should be a 10-minute install, and this should get him a banner, even though it's not gonna be filthy low like everybody else. It's enough to get a banner. This should be a 10-minute install. If not, you're gonna see us throughout the days. 4-day install. Alright, but let's get to it.
You're good.
Alright, so first we're taking a... Shut up!
Alright, you need that so I can take the other wheel off already?
I put it in the thing. It's in there, it's 17. I'm sorry, man. So we gotta take out the end link bolts. There's 2 bolts right here and 1 right here. Well, 1 bolt right here, then the 3 off the top for the coilover setup. Take off the spring. There's 1 nut that's from up here somewhere. I think I'm grabbing it. This one. Then just put the spring, the new lowered spring on, and then Man's gonna be low. Not as low as us, but still enough to join the club.
I mean, can we buy these parts that don't have anything breaks right here?
Yeah.
Are you nervous, Manfred?
I need the breaker bar.
Kinda. You know, I trust Joey. He knows what he's doing.
Barely. I mean, it did take him 4 days to do his coilovers.
Huh? It took us 4 days to do our coilovers.
It's because Manfred didn't help.
You never asked.
I did. I said I'm busy playing video games.
What did you say? That? You never asked for help.
So we finally got the front whatever coilover setup thing out. Honda makes it really complicated. Instead of like out of that car, it's literally just 1 bolt on the bottom, 3 bolts up top. This you gotta, I'm gonna call it a sleeve setup. You literally gotta unbolt so many unnecessary things just to get this shit out. But now we got it out, we're gonna use this to compress the spring, so once we take up that top nut, it doesn't fucking kill us. Should be pretty simple. We'll show you guys the process, so in case y'all want to do this to your car.
Alex is compressing the spring to take the spring out, and then I'm starting on the rear, taking this bolt out so we can take the rear out and just start the rear already.
How many times did you say rear?
Huh?
How many times did you say rear?
I like your rear.
Sheesh. I like your rear.
Hey, yeah.
Damn, bro, doing it with my hand works.
I might need the gun for this one. It's not coming out.
Alright, hold up.
But let's just finish this real quick.
Alright, that should be good now.
It's getting breaked up. You psyched, man. You got scared or what?
Okay. What the fuck?
Oh yeah, we gotta cut that shit. I forgot. It's like this.
It said inch and a... I don't know. Some say inch and a quarter, some say inch and a half. So like, you gotta let it settle for a while, or break them in, or whatever you call it.
How did this go?
Like that. And then you gotta put the other piece.
Yeah, that's just nice.
We gotta take the...
We got the lowering spring in. H&R. Performance, whatever you want to call it. It was easier to put it back on. It was kind of a bitch to take it off. Now we're going to see how entertaining it's going to be to put it on. Joey can't get the rear done because he's kind of slow.
Hey, that bolt back there is slow. Ain't no room, bro.
I don't know.
No, I already got the fucking front bolt out. We're gonna get the rear bolt out.
We finished the left side. Man didn't watch the video, so he could not inform us, and he kept showing us the wrong parts of the video, so we didn't do it right.
That boy was trying to read instead of watch a video.
Yeah.
He don't even know how to read.
And then all the fucking forums were telling us the wrong thing. So take a walk with me. Take a walk with me.
We were trying to watch another Edgar install that shit.
We finished it. I feel like we raised the rear and the front. It looks like it dropped just a tad bit.
This shit looks exactly the same.
Some of it working too. We're gonna start on the right side.
Yeah.
Tony's gonna do the rear. I'm gonna do the front.
A few days to
Tony already
appreciate
did the
the
rear,
difference.
and I did the front.
I'll give it a-
So we should knock it out. Hopefully we knock it out before the food gets here, so we can eat after.
That boy got a herpes.
Nigga, I fucking burned myself.
Can you see the herpes?
Nigga, I burnt myself a
Can you see
coffee.
the herpes?
Excuse me, can I be in your video?
So you finished the front finally. Gave it some. They gave it some love. We got it back in. We got the rear in or no?
Yeah.
Oh, it's done?
We just need the
One
jack.
bolt.
We just need the jack.
You just need the jack.
All right, one bolt away and we're done. And then we're gonna have the same ride height as always.
Hey yo, fuck Honda, fuck H&R. Them niggas don't know what they doing up in Germany.
Just get, bro. Avoid lowering springs.
Yeah, just get
There-
coils, bro. Just
You
invest the
could've
money in
spent an
coils, bro. This shit could have been slammed, but
I just want to say, we put German parts in a Japanese car. We still got the hardest part left though.
What?
The hubcaps.
Right.
take them bitches home and put them in your parking lot.
This shit's not slammed at all.
Give it a week or two, right? Video's not over yet. You gotta.
Best part of the video right here.
Oh, my bad, bro. That was tight, yeah.
Hey, why
Damn, that boy came back.
No, it came.
We didn't even hear you pull up, quiet ass car.
No one wanted to go beat his Schmeat. How many rounds?
2.
Two?
Nice one.
You're the shortest. Get in there.
How do I get in here?
Just sit down on it.
This fucking lowrider.
Watch roll fucking suspension
Hey,
crack right
Loki is
now.
going down. I'm gonna
Is
cap.
it? Oh.
Yeah. You guys are wrong. You guys trade the car in.
Hey, it's hard to be having man with this car.
Is it getting lower?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is gotten lower. Or
did.
not.
It did,
You
but
got-
not too much.
We gotta drive it around, right? We just gotta drive around.
Alright. We finished our 10-minute lowering spring install.
Yeah.
Super
I
easy.
like it.
Let's try again. But we're gonna have to come. You guys are gonna have to check in again in probably like a week, because these lowering springs take a couple days to settle. They settled a little bit, but the rear still need to settle a little more. Other than that, we'll see what we get to in tomorrow. Deuce.